In this video, I'm going to show you how to write, run, and debug JavaScript programs on Mac machine. Okay, so here's my MacBook. First, we need to create two files. Okay, one is the web page, the other is the JavaScript program. So I'm going to use the default TextEdit to do that. Okay, so in the text editor that comes with MacBook, you can just simply type whatever for the program, because it's gonna save the file with a lot of extra formatting information. So all you have to do is go to text edit right here, click on the preference, and the two things you need to change. Okay, first you need to change the format from rich text to plain text. The second change is you click on the open and save, and then you need to change the saving file encoding to UTF-8. Okay, so once you do that, then you should be able to do the JavaScript programming and the web page editing. So here, the first one, I'm going to create a simple page called body web page, and it has just a body tag. This body is HTML tag, by the way. So this is my first JavaScript program or page. Okay, and this is just simply just a line gonna show up. Okay, and then I'm gonna create a script tag with the source point to my JavaScript, JS. Okay, so this is the JavaScript program I'm going to write. So this is the first file. That's the page file, the web page file. Okay, make sure you don't get a typo. Then save the file. Save. When you save the file, okay, it allows you to change the file format to the hold on. Okay, so you won't. Then you select. Okay, so then you probably cannot do it right. So let's reopen it again. Okay, just in case. So let's save this one. It's a copy. Okay, and then yeah, because it's gonna save the file into the rich text. We don't want that. Okay, so cancel it. Okay, so just delete it. Okay, and then make sure the preference is setting correct. Okay, UTF-8. Okay, and then the document is plain text. Okay, so let's quit the text edit. Oh gee, let's quit the step. I think I already quick already, right? So let's start the text editor again. Okay, okay, and then quit. Make sure it get the correct settings. Okay, so now let's get it back, paste it again, and then save the file. Okay, now you got a correct plain text encoding. Okay, so that's the right file encoding format you should have. Now I'm gonna name this file then page.html. Okay, and save it. And that's the first file you need to create. Then the second file you need to create is the JavaScript program itself. So which is the my JavaScript .js, and I'm gonna create just one line, say console dot log. Okay, and hello world, hello JavaScript. Okay, and again I'm gonna save this file as the plain text file use the UTF-8 encoding and name it my JavaScript.js. Okay, and make sure you don't get a typo. Okay, save it. Now I got these two files created. They are stored under the document right here. So this is my page. Okay, so now I can just use the Google Chrome to open this file. So click on it and then go to File, Open with Google Chrome. Okay, so now you got this page displayed, and then also you need to bring the console. In Mac, to bring the console, you simply use the Option, Command, and J all together. So it will bring the console. So now you can see the console has a hello JavaScript output. Okay, and then if you click on the source, you can see the source. Okay, now if you want to modify, like put something here, okay, modify it. If you try to save it, you cannot save it because it's not linked to your project workspace. So you're gonna map the folder of your project, of this project, into workspace. So click on this preference and click on workspace and then add a folder. Okay, so here we're gonna add the document. The document is the one we store the files. Okay, so after that you need to allow. Click on allow the Google Chrome to access. So now you have these users 02 documents linked, and then you should be able to save whatever change it here. Here I change it hello 343 JavaScript, and then I save it. Okay, so after I save it, now if I reload it again, click on the console, reload here again, then let's see the output. uh, Wait, how come the console, hold on 1 second. Oh, it pauses somewhere. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that also give you the idea about how to debug. So you can set a breakpoint right here, right? You can click it, if you remove it, and you will not break. So if you have some lines of code, in your JavaScript, you can set a breakpoint here, and when you reload it, it'll break here. You pause this line and ask you for two steps through it. Okay, so these are steps through it. Okay, I'll step over, and you can also watch the variable values here. So this is exactly the debug interface for your debugger program. And that's all I have to do for this video, and hope you enjoy.